boys? It's Jacob from JetSki Brothers here today with another Better Boat product. Today we have the boat soap. Get it clean. You don't want to use no Dawn dish soap on your boat. That'll just ruin it, all right? See this? This is what your stuff will look like if you use Dawn dish soap. Use dish soap on a jet ski? No. You're gonna ruin the paint like this old hag. Look at it. Not good. All right, people. We got the boat soap for this here dirty dog. We're gonna get this thing and just clean it. So, sit back and enjoy the ride. Guess who else is gonna make an appearance? My best friend, this eraser that I got from you know who. Get a load of that. Do you believe how good this looks? I mean, really, it's actually pretty clean now. It's great. Good thing I didn't use Dawn dish soap. Otherwise, it would have looked horrible. But check out the product at Better Boat. Available at thebetterboat.com as well as Amazon. See the link in the description. Thank you.